AI has simplified our lives that I wish it can create something that would clean our house or even do the cooking, guys. Can you believe that it did create a background like this without paying a cent, guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to create these backgrounds, guys. You won't believe how easy it is. Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Shirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto and forex. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to create this fake background. Guys, you can do so much with this. You can start your own YouTube channel and have this background, or you can even create for people and make money. All of this is simple. So now, without wasting time, let's just go to my laptop so I can show you step by step how to create this background. The very first thing that you do need to record a video. And recording a video, guys, you can use your phone, you can use your camera. Doesn't matter what background you're going to use, as long as you can create a video. Just create, say the words that you want to say, and then save that video somewhere. And the next step is you do need to create a Leonado account. Go to Google and type leonado.ai and then use Google to create an account. And then once you've created your account, it will take you to this part, and then you just select the username that you want and accept the terms and conditions. Select what are you using this tool for. So I just said stock image, and then when you get to this part, this is just for learning purposes. I just close this, and then when you see at the top, you'll see that there are credits. So these credits, every time you generate a photo, you are going to lose some of these credits. So once you don't have any credits, you are going to have to upgrade, but then we have enough to generate a photo. So I did type this prompt, and then I did say with green flowers, and then I don't like it, guys. So I went again and changed my prompt to say add tech gadgets, cameras, just a beautiful wall. I think I like these ones, and then I am going to select any of these ones, I think those three, and then save it to my laptop. So this is how you create your photos with your background. The next step is to go to Canva. This is where we're going to create a thumbnail so that we get the right sizes for a YouTube thumbnail. That way you have a proper background. And this is where you can add extra elements if you want to edit that background. So in Canva, you just type YouTube thumbnail, create an account as well. It is free. And then I'm just going to create a blank page, and then when we get to this blank page, I am going to click uploads on my left hand side and then upload those backgrounds. So I am going to upload 2 so that I can show you guys for 2. So this is the second part where we're just going to add extra elements and then create the right length. So YouTube thumbnail, it is the right one. As it's busy uploading, I am going to select one, and then all you do, you just stretch it until it fits. So the first one, I will use the first picture, and the second one, I will use the second picture. So with the first picture, can you see the TV doesn't have anything? So I'm just going to add a YouTube element. You go to elements and you type YouTube so that you can get the YouTube element. So can you see, you make it smaller, and then you can add whatever you want to add here. So now I am going to type the words and put Lindy Shirries as well. So before doing that, let's get a camera just to show you that you can add anything to this design. So I tried putting the camera there, but then it looked like it didn't look that nice. So I am going to plug it there so that you can see. So can you see the camera fits well into this design? Let's go to the second one so you can see how it looks. So this one did come with a YouTube something. So do remember, you focus on whatever you are focusing on. If it is an academy, make it look like a class so that you can be able to continue. So now I'm going to add text Lindy Shirries so that even if people are just watching this, they should know that I do have a YouTube channel, Lindy Shirries. So you can reduce the size by going to the size, and then increase the size of your picture so that you can get the right colors. So now you click export, share at the top, and these are the 2 pictures. Okay. The next thing that you need, but before going to the next step, guys, I do offer one-on-one classes where I can help you create your YouTube channel, brand it, and then we can work on you creating your first video so that you can make money online. Guys, YouTube does pay real money, and it goes to your bank account. So the next step is you do need CapCut, and I am going to show you how to edit your background, add the video, and then make the whole video beautiful so that you can upload to your YouTube channel. CapCut is another tool you can use to edit your videos. You just click new project and a new video, and it will open this page. So in this page, you're just going to upload the video and also upload the thumbnails that you have changed. So now let's just upload the video first and the thumbnail. So I just cut the video to make it shorter, but then this is how these videos are edited. So you add it to the project, and then when it gets to the project, you want to remove your background by clicking Smart Tools, and then you just click Auto Removal. So we are now removing the background. So the next thing that you do, you wait for it, guys. It might take some time, especially if you are doing it for the first time. While it's processing, guys, let's add the background at the top, at the bottom actually. So when you add the background at the bottom, you will be able to see your video. So I decided to use both backgrounds that we created. So I've added the video twice so I can show you the difference, guys. So let me just go as well and go to Smart Tool and select. So select the video and then go to Smart Tool, and then after selecting Smart Tool, you will be able to remove the background. So I am removing the background, so go to Smart Tool and then remove background. So I am now removing the background for the second video so that I can show you both, guys. So now that I have my video at the top and my background at the bottom, so now you can see. So you can easily move this video anywhere where you want this video. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, all of that is possible. So you just move it until you are happy. So once you are done with where you want the background to be, you can just play it to see how you want it to be. So if you want to blur the background, which will make your video more crispy, you just click effects on the left hand side and then you select the one that you want. So can you see I've just changed it, and now I keep adding different ones. This is just to show you if you want to blur your background. So now, guys, you can just go to effects and then you will do that. So now when you're done, guys, you click export and then you just change. So I use 60, and then now it is processing, so exporting my video, and then I'll show you now how the video looks so that you can see, guys, that it is looking so nice, guys. All of this you do, guys, you can even run a podcast, use the background, and this is how my video looks, guys. It looks nice, it looks crisp, and it looks professional. So you can. That's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and do remember, this is another method of making money online.